Hi guys, this is Chino for Chino Spirit Cubing and welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial we're going to learn how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the Megiddo methods with an easy follow instruction and interactive demonstrations. So, a little history about the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle originally invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture Ernest Rubix. So there you go, that's a small introduction about the Rubik's Cube. So grab your cube and let's dive in together and experience the satisfaction of conquering one of the world's most iconic puzzles, the Rubik's Cube. Okay, first let's know your cube. There are three different types of pieces that make up this Rubik's Cube. So we got corner piece, that's going to be this one over here. There are 8 corner pieces in the cube and they have 3 panels with 3 different colors. In this case we got white, red, and blue. Then we got the edge piece that is going to be this over here. There are 12 edge pieces in total and they have only 2 panels. So like in this case we got white and blue and we got white and red. And then we got this the centerpiece. They got 6 centerpieces. They each have only 1 panel so they can be single orientation. These pieces will identify the 6 faces of the cube. For example, the white center is going to be representing the white face, the green center is going to be representing the green face, and the yellow center is going to represent the yellow face, and so on, so on. And now we're going to talk about the colors. So the Rubik's Cube got gonna have 6 colors, depending their brand or they made. Color is gonna be different shades, but usually, like for example, this Rubik's Cube for the Rubik's Cube brand, they're gonna have the white on the top, the yellow on the bottom. Then you got the red, and the opposite the red is gonna be the orange. And then you got the blue, and the opposite the blue, you're gonna have the green. Now we're gonna talk about the rotations and notations of the cube. So with the cube involve a following set of algorithms. To illustrate these algorithms, we will use cube notation. There are several variations of the cube notations, but once you know one, adjusting to the other is fairly easy. So what that means is like when we do like for example right, we're gonna go 90 degrees movements. And then if they got the apostrophe, it's gonna be the opposite of that movement. For example, right, we usually go up. So with right inverted or right with the apostrophe, it's gonna be like right counterclockwise or right inverted, like this. So the rotations and the notations go as follows. So for example, we got the letter R, that means right. So we turn the right side clockwise, like this. Then we got the R with a apostrophe that they're gonna call right inverted, and we turn the right face counterclockwise, so we go down like this. And the same thing happened with left. With the left side, that we got the L, that means left. With the L, that means the left side, we're gonna turn the left clockwise. It's gonna be like this. And then we got the L with the apostrophe, left inverted, or the L with the apostrophe, that is gonna be the LF inverted. It's gonna turn the left face counterclockwise like this. Then we got the U, that means up. That would turn the up face clockwise. And then we got the U with the apostrophe, that we're gonna turn the U face counterclockwise like this. And at the same time we got the front face. There's gonna be a F, that I mean front, that we're gonna turn clockwise like this. And then we got the F with the apostrophe, that we're gonna go counterclockwise like this. Then we got the back face, that is gonna be B, that we're gonna go clockwise. And then we got the B with the apostrophe, that is gonna be a B back inverted. Then we turn the face counterclockwise like this. Then we got the down face, Then we go down we turn it clockwise. And then we got the down inverted, the down with the apostrophe that we turn counterclockwise. Then we got the middle slice, or the middle layer over here in the top. We got the M that we turn the face clockwise. And then we got the M with the apostrophe that we turn it kind of clockwise, like this. Then we got the E, that is the middle face over here on the middle of the cube. And we turn it clockwise when it's like E. E with the apostrophe, we turn it kind of clockwise like this. And for last, we got the S layer. It's going to be here. That's the S notation for the middle over here. And we do this slide, this top slice clockwise. And we got the X with the apostrophe. We're doing counterclockwise like this. Ugh, it's a little bit uncomfortable. And like you see, guys, that's the notation of the cube. That's how we read the notations, and that's how the cube turns. Now we're gonna scramble the cube. I'm gonna use this scramble over here. That way we're all on the same page, and we're gonna start solving the cube. So to do the scramble, always when we do the scramble, we do with the face, with the white face on the top, the green face in front of you, and the red face pointing to the right. And then we do the scramble. And that's it, the cube is scrambled and ready to solve. The first step to solve the cube is gonna be the white cross. So for the beginning methods, we're gonna do the what I call the daisy first. That way you guys got a grasp of what we're doing. So we turn the cube with the yellow face on the top, and we're gonna put the white edges on the top and on the yellow face. So it's gonna be like, let's gonna get the first white layer. It's here. So they go up. We got the second one down here. So we do right, and then front inverted, and it's up there. And then we got the blue over here. We do another right, and we got the green. We do the same thing. We do right, front inverted, and then right inverted to put it back in. And we got the 4 edges on the yellow faces. Now we have to put these white edges with the corresponding centers. So for example, we got this one is white and green. So we go to the center green is over here, and we just do right 2 times, 1 and 2, and we got it in the bottom. So we do the same thing with the other 3. So we go with this orange and white, it's over here. So we go with that. Then we got the blue one that is over here, and we do it. And then we got the red that is go over here, and we do it. And we got the white cross. So the next step is gonna be solving the white corners over here. So we have to put it down here with the white face. So take for example this corner, red, blue, and white. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in top of where it's supposed to go. That is gonna be here. See, it's supposed to be down here. And then we look for the white faces pointing. If we got the white face pointing to the right, you're gonna do up inverted, front inverted, up and front, and you got the piece where it go. So we're gonna get another one. So we get this one that is red and green. So we put it in top when it's supposed to go, red and green, and we check where the white face is pointing. So in this case, the white face is pointing to the left. So for that, we just do up, front, up inverted, front inverted, and we got it down where it goes, like that. See, it's pretty easy. And then we got our third case. That's gonna be when the white is pointing up. So we got this blue and orange and white corners. So we put it where it belongs to, that is gonna be over here, white and orange. And for this, we're just gonna do this algorithm 3 times. R up, R inverted, up inverter, R up, R inverted, up inverter, and R up, R inverted, up inverter, and we got it there. And then we do the last one, this orange and blue. So we put it on top where it goes. So we got the white face pointing to the right. So we go up, inverted, front, up, front, and we got the white face already done. So now we're gonna solve the edges pieces of the cube. These four edges. So now we're gonna do this edge that, for example, is gonna be the blue and orange that we know they go over here. So what we're gonna do when we know the piece go in this side, so we turn it to the opposite, and then we do this algorithm. It's gonna be left inverted, up, then we do left, then we do up again, then we do front, then we do up inverted and front inverted, and we got the piece where it goes over here. So now we're gonna do the next one, and it's gonna be this one, green orange. That is already with the center. So this one go over here. So what we do the same thing. We turn it to the opposite side, and then we do the algorithm, and it's gonna be right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up and front, and we got it over there. So we got 2 already done. So we're gonna do the next one. That is gonna be this green and red. So we turn it, we'll put it with the green center because the face facing you is green. So we know that this one go over here. So we turn it to the side, and we do the algorithms again. Left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted, and we had it where it goes. And we're only missing one more, and it's over here. See, it's already over here where it goes. And we know this one go over here. So we turn it to the opposite side, and we do the algorithms. It's gonna be right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up and front. And we got the middle layer already done. Action. Now the next step is going to be orientation of the yellow edge pieces and the top face. So what that means, we're going to make basically the yellow cross. So you're going to have 3 cases when you go to this layer over here that we got. For example, here we got what they call the L case. So you got over here, your L. Then you got what we call the line, that is this one over here. And we got what we call the dot, that is this one over here, that none of the edges are oriented. So to solve this is pretty easy. For example, if you got the dot, so in this case that it called the dot, we got the all 4 edges is pointing off, away from the yellow center. So we do this algorithm: front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, and then front inverted. So we go to the next case that is going to be the L. So without moving the cube, in this case over here, we do it again. We could do it front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And then we got what we call the line. So to solve the line, we just put it this way like this, with the line horizontal. And then we do the algorithm again. It's going to be front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and we got it, the cross done. So for this, that we got the L, the letter L. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put the L pointed left and up, and then we do the algorithm. It's gonna be front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and we got the line. So then we just do the algorithm again. So we do it twice. So we're gonna do front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, and we got the cross. See, they got the yellow cross. So our next step over here is gonna be the permutation of the yellow edges. So it's gonna be basically put the edges with the center they correspond to. So in this case, we got the blue already solved, and we have to solve these other three, the orange, green, and red. And we're gonna do this algorithm that's gonna rotate these three edges clockwise. And doing that, I think it's gonna get fixed. So it's gonna be R up, R inverted, up, R up 2, R inverted, and that's it. It's fixed. See, you got all the edges with the centers where they corresponded. Now the next step is we almost get this cube done. Like you see, it's gonna be the orientation of the corners. So we got the corners over here. We're gonna put it like again where they belong to. So we're gonna look for one corner that is in the place it's supposed it goes. Don't has to be permutated or or fixed right. We just want to know. We just want a corner that is in the place where it belongs. And we don't have none. So we don't have none. We just do the algorithms anywhere. So and the algorithm is gonna be up inverted, left inverted, up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted. And then we look for a corner that is fixed. And yeah, we got one. We got this red, blue, and yellow. They go in this over here with the red and blues. So now that we got the corner, one corner fixed, we're gonna leave this corner in our left side, and then we're gonna do the algorithm with that corner in the left front side. And the algorithms is up inverted, left inverted, up, right, up inverted, left, up, right inverted. And when you got two corners where it goes, the cube, all the other two are fixed, and there they are. So we got these corners in the place that they belong, and now we just have to permutate the corners and put it all pointing with all the yellow pointed up. So to flip these yellow corners with the face up, we're gonna do only one algorithm that is super easy algorithm, but a lot of people get confused with it because they're gonna broke whatever you get done in the bottom, but don't get scared. It's gonna get fixed at the end. And for the algorithm, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a corner. They need to be permutated, and we need to put the yellow up, and we put it in the right side top, and we do this algorithm. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Always remember to do this down movement at the end. That way your cube is done. Get screwed up. If you don't do that movement at the end, your cube is not gonna get fixed. It's gonna get all messed up. So we do the algorithm again. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And we repeat it until we got the yellow fixed over here in the top. So right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, right, down. See, and you can see we got the yellow over here. Now, once you got a yellow done over here, facing up, so you just move the top layer and put another yellow in the corner that needs to get fixed, and repeat the algorithm. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, and again, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And then we do the last one over here. So we put on the top and we do the same thing. Remember, always do this down movement at the end. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right down, and now the cube's supposed to be solved. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And then we just move the face to put all the colors where it goes, and the cube is solved. So like I said, it was an easy tutorial, step by step. It is pretty easy. That's what they call the beginner methods. And this was Shooting Spirit Studio, and see you in our next video. Bye.